Hi, I'm Dr. Sheila Carroll, a board-certified pediatrician and obesity medicine physician with over 20 years of clinical experience. I am passionate about helping kids and teens who are struggling with the health and psychosocial consequences of extra unwanted weight. I believe that we, as healthcare professionals, can most effectively help children when we turn our full attention to supporting and empowering their parents so their parents can become the supportive, loving, educated, committed, and day to day forces behind their children's health journey. My talk is entitled Parents Are the Key: Successfully Navigating Childhood Obesity by Focusing on Holistic Support for Parents. In this talk, I'll share why working with and supporting parents and caregivers is crucial for effective, sustainable weight management in children. I'll also share practical strategies to help busy clinicians help their young patients by empowering their parents to control what they can control, model the behaviors they want to see, and thus change the trajectory of their kids' and teens' health. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the conference.